In this video, we are going to install Node on Windows machine and then we will verify the installation. We need to go to official Node website. Click on download. Click on window installer. It's downloading. Download is complete. We can run it. Click next. Read the license agreement and check I accept the terms. Then next. We will use the default settings. Next. Next. And then install. It may take few minutes. Installation is complete. We're going to click on finish. Now we can open a command prompt by typing cmd type node -v is showing the version of Node. We can also start interactive mode of node.js by typing just Node. To shall start it, we can type console.log and give it a string hello world. It echo hello world. So installation is complete and it's working. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Netrox Tech. Thank you.